Clan MacRae, as you can see from the inscription on the monument, has suffered dreadfully in a battle which was never joined properly. It was a very confused battle, and that, I'm afraid, was to the cost of the MacRaes in many ways. They had, when I remember MacRaes who fought on that particular day, what I particularly remember is that they came here from Perth, and they did not, in the 2 days that it took from Perth to here and joining a battle, they had no cover whatsoever, they had no accommodation, and they had no food. They wrapped themselves in their plaids and slept on the frozen ground the night before the battle. That's the way clansmen were then. So I never ever forget that particular aspect. MacRaes in general are known for being fairly thrawn, and I think that was the ultimate test for MacRaes at that time. The sad thing, of course, is that as far as Kintail, their homeland, was concerned, very few made it back there at all.
So Sherrifmuir says, ha múla ha groim orin ha braun, on yimich mocharsin followed, on chayat eraster gun chinj munchech rachi, ha minjan fo asnel naslod. Gun coin mi nech gas fin, kachtunje yimich on tir, Scumpilig Sugachi, le Cruatels le Gashke, Scumcrunchen an assassin leven Rie. A Rie, spuiach mi a vorer Shomar. Is a Jeri, a Vuyen Kunjal. A Liud Farbisach Gaste, hat Gierd moet vrachtig, Gierd de Hemisch en Glachke gerijf. Daar een rukisje wonen en grauw, ze versje en eisnech pjauw. Bij tons en tieten, der poen en rievig, een drochits en een miertje voor schouw. There is a sadness, grief, and I'm gloomy, since my friends have gone away. Since they have departed and certain of homecoming, my mind is greatly distressed. May I hear the sweetest news of all those who left the land. May you return home with courage and boldness after the crowning the true king in England. Lord, I am thankful for this Earl of Mar, with whom rose such a reliable band, like the splendid fords that swarm round your standard, worthy is King James to take them in hand. When you reach London of the Cloak, and see the prophecy fulfilled, a measure of silk will adorn your elegant bows on the bridge with the thousands at your command.
Now I ask Lewis MacDonald of Glengarry to lay a wreath for Clandon. Sorry, Dr. Ian MacDonald. Sir Lachlan MacLean on behalf of his clan. Norman Macpherson for the Macphersons. Jen Scott for the Stuart Society. Tom Urquhart for Clan Urquhart. Clan Cameron. Clan Macaulay. Now, are there any others that would like to lay a wreath? I call on Hector MacLean to lay one on behalf of the government forces that died here. And the secretary of the association to lay one representing all the other clans and regiments.